It's Friday, October 5th, and it's been 14 days since I posted my last update. Last week I was sick. I spent a good portion of the week working from at home on my couch with blankets, a pillow, and my laptop. I didn't get out much, but surprisingly, I did lose another 5 pounds. So now my total weight loss nearing the end of week 7 is 25 pounds. So I only need to lose 9 more pounds to achieve my 90-day goal of losing 34 pounds. So that's really good. I'm getting back on track this week. Sorry, my throat. Getting back on track this week, and today I'm going to the States with Crystal's mom. Crystal and I used to go to the States all the time. We used to have crazy times, shopping for like 12 hours and losing our minds and not making any sense by the time we get back, and a lot of good times. And today we're going. So today is probably going to be an emotional day. It's the first time that we're going since Crystal passed away. I'm probably going to do some video clips, some of our favorite places that we used to go and that kind of thing. So I'll post those over this weekend, over the next few days. And I thank you for your continued support. Sorry for the little hiatus. And I ask you to please continue voting and sharing. This month is actually a really important month. They're going to be eliminating over 2,000 people doing the challenge to get down to the top 100 who will compete for the top 10. So I'm asking you to please vote and share the videos and ask others that you know to vote as well, so that we can make this happen and make Crystal's dream come true. I thank you for your support, and I'll be posting videos later this weekend. Thanks.